Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Turbo AI to help you with your studies. So basically you can log in to Turbo AI, you will see this user-friendly dashboard where you can create documents from scratch or upload a voice or upload a document or a YouTube video. And then Turbo AI will help you summarize this and help you by giving you questions and mind maps and everything. So let's give it a try. For example, let's upload a PDF document. You can click here to upload, choose your PDF, open, and then generate notes. It will take some time to process. After it processes your PDF document, it will generate a summary for that document, and you can ask Turbo AI about anything regarding that document and he will answer referencing to that document. You can also have chatbot with Turbo AI. It can generate podcast. You can also create flashcards and quiz about that PDF. For example, let's see the flashcard that will create it for us. And as you can see, it creates flashcard for us. You can read it both ways. Scroll. You can have some explanation about each part. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.